Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga ka-chupapis, nandito ako ngayon sa Asian store and hindi ako nakapagluto. Mamaya na ako magluluto ng sinigang sa bangus. Ang lulutuin ko ay sinigang sa salmon. Kaya lang nandito kami sa Asian store para kumain kasi nandito yung aking asawa. Gusto niyang kumain ng Asian store dito. So, bumili ako ng ganito. Ayan, isa para pang sinigang. And then, ayan, yung aking asawa, bumibili doon. And then, titingin-tingin ako dito. Ito, meron silang langkao. Pang, ano to, pang turon. Masarap to sa turon. And may mga tinda rin silang ganyan. Ito naman yung mga drinks. Ito yung binili namin, mga ka-chupa. Asan na ba yun? Ay, ito, bumili ako ng kimchi. Itong maliit na kimchi is $5.99. And then, ito naman, masarap daw to. Monk food. And then, bumili naman ako nitong mango, $5. So, ayan. Yung asawa ko na. I found New Filipina! Hindi ko nasama sa video dahil kasi itong asawa ko nagmamadali. Gugutom na. So, we're gonna mukbang!
What did she say to you?
We're gonna mukbang. Mukbang tayo mga ka-chupapi. Lagyan natin ito.
I'm gonna pull out. Because I don't want to park here. Because other people are gonna park here too.
We're gonna eat inside the car mga ka-chupapi. First time na naman. Sa super tagal na. I think when was that? When we mukbang inside the car?
When was the last time?
Yeah.
I don't know. I actually don't remember. I think when we came back from Chicago and we're eating the hot dog. Yeah, I think that was the last time. Move your chair back so we have room.
Kain tayo dito mga ka-chupapi. Dito tayo magtatangali. Nangangapan na yung ulo ko.
I'm gonna grab the tree.
Nangangatin na yung ulo ni Winnie. Puro balakubak na tayo. Pero balakubak na. Hala, hindi ko kasi nadala yung aking phone holder. Dapat yan, Obi.
You know what? We should eat in the back.
Why?
Because
We can eat there. So, ito yung... Oh! Did you pay this one?
Oh, you just grabbed it? Of course not. It's okay. Too late. It's okay.
Hello?
You shouldn't be grabbing
Go back, go.
after we eat. You shouldn't be grabbing new stuff while we already pay.
No, I already hold this one. Kasi yung pinay.
Come on.
Ay, it's not ano.
It doesn't fit. Oh, there we go. Now it fits.
Okay.
Go ahead, get the food.
Ay, kita ba kami sa ka-chupapi? Sabi, nasa naman yung dalawang mag-asawa. Puro lamon. Bumili tayo ng isda. Okay, isda. You boil rice?
Yeah, I bought rice.
Okay. Ano to ba? What's it called? Sticky emerald.
I don't know what it's called.
Sticky emerald. And then I bought this one, mango. Ay, dami natin pagkain, day. Very yummy. And then, bumili ako ng ganito. And then, what's the chicken?
It's in there.
Ah, this one, chicken. Maka-chupapi. Oh no, where's my tail? My ponytail.
Your ponytail is... I took it. It's gone.
Oh, where's the rice?
It should be in there.
How much all of it?
I don't know. I forgot.
Ito yung purple rice. Tayin! Yeah, open it, all of it.
It cannot fit.
And then you stick it there.
Yeah, you hold that.
Kain tayo mga ka-chupapi.
Let's pray before we eat.
Ayan, meron na tayong pagkain dito. Mag-pray muna tayo. Mag-pray muna tayo.
What fell down there? Your foot. Oh. Okay, go ahead.
So, pray, amen. Okay, let's eat mga kachupapi. Kain tayo ng fish mga kachupapi. Meron dong yempo. Kaya lang hindi namin kinuha.
Give me my drink.
Dahil hala, hold on. Yeah, very good. Hindi namin kinuha yung pork dahil ang kinakain na namin is chicken and fish only. At nag-iwas-iwas na kami sa pork.
The one guy that was in there, he was so dark. I thought he was Indian. And I hear him speaking Hmong. So I was a little bit shocked.
That guy?
No, inside the store. When I was waiting for our food. Did you see him?
I thought it looked like Indian. Maybe Hmong Indian.
I don't think so. If
Maybe
it
his
is,
dad is Hmong.
if it is, I never heard of it. But he was dark.
Yeah, I saw it. It looked like Indian. Uy, kain tayo mga kachupapi. Can't do this.
You have to leave it open.
Try nga natin to. And then what is this sauce? What is
It's
it called?
very spicy.
Sticky emerald.
I guess they call it sticky rice roll.
Ah, that's the Pinay, oh. That's the Pinay. Sticky rice roll. Mga Hmong food, mga kachupapi.
Like?
What's inside?
It's like... it's pork.
Oh. Sabi niyo ba?
I forgot about it, but it's okay. Eat it. Just eat it.
One plate.
Maybe later.
It's so hot. We open the window.
It's grinded pork and some cilantro and other stuff. So hot.
Just open the window.
Now if I do that, the bees and the flies, they're gonna get in because they smell the food.
Okay. Pero mga kachupa, kung hindi kami bawal kumain ng pork, bibili ako ng yempo doon. Kaya lang, mag-ano na nga kami. Mag-diet ba? Kain tayo. Diet-dietan muna tayo. Di pa ako nag-almusal. What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Wala, 1 o'clock na kanina. Ang bilis ng oras naman dito sa US. Umihin ka na mamaya. Sabi mo, pag umihin ako mamaya, alas 5 na. Patapos na naman ang araw. Ang bilis nga mga kachupapi. Parang napagtanto ko na, ang bilis naman ang panahon dito sa US. Parang magkaiba yata sa Pinas. Kasi sa Pinas, parang ako lang nagkantay ng oras. Dito hindi. Siguro kasi the way, the culture here is different. Kasi people living here, time is very important. Sabi? Kaya ayaw nila na aksayan yung oras kasi lagi nilang kino-convert na pag na-aksayan ako ng 1 hour, ko-convert nila yun sa sweldo nila. Kaya ayaw nilang nag-aksaya. Ayun naman kinaganda mga kachupapi sa dito sa Amerika. Very, pag sinabing ganto oras dapat pupunta ka na. Masarap.
I feel good.
Baby, why there's no chicken skin? They remove it?
No, there's some there. I ate it.
Alam mo, masarap dito sa sa Hmong food, parang Pinas. Kaya lang iba yung sauce nila mga kachupapi, ang sarap. Sana matuto akong gumawa ng gantong sauce, yung red chili emerald. Sabi ka niya open my drinks.
You like the sauce?
Yeah.
It's very spicy.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But I'm glad we're near in Asian store. No? Kasi ang makachupa, malapit lang kami sa an Asian store. Kaya kung pupunta ka, pwede kang maglakad lang, mga 10 minutes. Or kung magbabike ka, 5 minutes lang. Ano? Malapit lang talaga.
It's a small town, so everything is near.
Yeah.
You can go with bike.
How much are it?
I think it's like $40. I don't remember.
Masarap po. Alam mo, Makatsupa, una kong punta dito sa Wisconsin. Parang akong nalulungkot kasi wala akong nakikitang Pinay. I can't find any Filipina here. That's why I feel lonely. But when I found a lot of Filipina, I feel like, oh, I kind of like not lonely anymore.
You're not alone. You are not alone.
Pagka mga 5 years na akong nakatira dito, mga Kachupapi, yung lamig, hindi ko nag-iindahin. Pero ngayong magto 2 years pa lang ang tira ko dito, syempre parang masakit pa rin yung mga katawan ko, mga kasukasuan ko pagka lumalabas ako ng walang jacket. Ngayon kasi August pa lang tayo, malamig na dito. No, babe? It's not autumn yet, but it's still cold already.
It's okay right now. It's not cold or hot.
Ah, it's so delicious. Ako dahil magugutom kayo. Siguraduhin yung pag nanonood kayo ng vlog ko. Kumain kayo. Baka may mabalo kayo. I said, make sure when you watch this vlog, you're eating too. Or else you're gonna be hungry. A lot of American too, they love Asian food, no? Some American they don't like.
Well,
No, why is a lot of bird?
Look at migrating.
Ang kinaganda rito, Makatsupa, maraming ibon. Maraming mga kalapate. Hindi nila kinakain yung mga kalapate dito. Diyan lang sa Pinas. Maybe in the Philippines, we eat that. But I never eat. They eat, Filipino love eating that.
The bird?
They cook like adobo. This one
This is better when they have like a peanut sauce.
Oh, why they didn't give you peanut?
They have spicy instead.
Kaya dyan Makatsupa, una na hindi pa kag-almusal.
Mush it up. And they roll
Masarap
it
to.
into like a dough. They put the meat and the cilantro in there, and then they roll it up like an egg roll.
But it's not a lot of meat.
It's not supposed to be.
Dito Makatsupa, cilantro and green onion are very popular. Sa atin, onion and garlic. In our country, they're very popular in onion and garlic.
And green onions. What's the other one?
Cilantro.
Cilantro. What's the brown one? I don't remember.
Garlic.
Not garlic. How come I can't think of the name?
What brown one?
That's like a brown root.
Potato?
It's a little bit spicy.
I don't know.
I can't think of the name right now. I know what it is. It's just gone from my mind.
Brown?
Wish I could remember. I cannot.
Because you're eating. your mind is on the food.
It kind of looks like ginseng. Well, it's not ginseng.
What's that? Buko? Potato? Sweet potato?
It's spicy. I cannot remember.
I don't remember it's a brown thing that it's spicy. Only green and red. Bell pepper.
I'm trying to remember. That's blank. I'm blank. I cannot remember.
Peach. Lemon. Lime.
You cook it in your soup. It's brown on the outside, yellow on the inside. It's spicy.
Brown. I cook in sinigang. The one that I bought today.
Oh, no.
That's
you
brown.
Put it in your soup.
Moringa. Gabi.
I don't know why I cannot remember.
What soup you're talking about?
I know what they call it in Hmong. They call it kia.
Kia.
But in English, I can't remember the name.
Papaya.
No, it's not. I cannot remember.
Ayote. Nag-uulaan muna. Balikan namin kayo pag naulaan.
I cannot remember for the life of me. I'll look it up on my phone if I eat.
It's okay.
That's all I know. I cannot remember.
I think you're getting older.
That's not good. I cannot remember. I know what it is, I just can't remember.
This one?
It's kind of like that,
Moringa.
but it's not.
I don't know if there's a brown that it's spicy. Colors.
I remember
Tastes
you
like
telling me that it's good for you. You like it, but I don't.
Oh, ginger!
Ginger, there you go. Ginger. There you go. You finally got it. You guessed it. Alright, it's spicy.
You're funny!
It's brown on the outside, yellow on the inside. It's kind of like a root, but it looks like ginseng, but it's not ginseng. Ginger.
Naiyak ako. You just tell me the one thing I don't like.
But I don't like a lot of things. Aqua. I don't hate ginger, but it just doesn't go with some things.
I put it on my soup. Tinola.
For me, it's good for a flavor, but to eat it, no. Like if you add it to cook for a flavor for other stuff, it's good, but for me to eat it, I didn't like it.
Funny.
You finally got it.
You make me cry.
It was so funny because you were thinking about it the whole time, and you didn't remember either.
Pasensya na, buluo ka. Pasensya na mga kachupapi. Eh, yung asawa ko medyo makakalimutin na. Maybe what if I make egg rolls and I put the whole thing of ginger and you bite it? You eat it?
I'm gonna be like, ginger egg roll. Don't choke on your food, babe.
Ginger egg. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Ang nasa kaya.
I'm glad you didn't get so funny.
As I was imagining it. Pagkagat, luya agad. Hindi na ako makakita. Super tawa. Funny, funny, funny. Baby, I cannot see my eyes.
I need the napkin.
No.
Oh, be careful, me. Sorry, babe. Get the napkin.
Baby, be careful because your hand is spicy.
Yeah, I didn't touch it. I only touched the backside. You good?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Give me the water. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Joker tong asawa ko, no? Ginger egg roll.
Really gonna sell. That's the big one.
Ayaw ko kung may bumali ng gano'n.
Jimmy?
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
May panay kasi akong kausap. Eh, nasa counter na siya. Yung hawak-hawak kong ano,
17,
gabi.
21, 26,
Hindi na na-punch.
31.
I'm gonna save this one because this is delicious.
Okay, you're ready?
Going back there. Babalik namin to. It's only $2.
Here, give it to me. You stay here.
I'll go with you.
Stay there.
Masok na asawa ko. Gusto kong bumaba kaya lang baka mamaya may kumuha ng sasakyan kasi nga walang tao. Pero saglit lang naman yung asawa ko, babayaran lang naman yan. Yung tatanong ko. Ang bilis mo naman. Why is so quick? Why is so quick?
She said it was only 81 cents.
It's okay?
What do you mean?
You pay already?
Yeah, you're ready.
Okay.
I said to her that, oh, we just forgot. I checked the receipt. It's not in there, so I'm gonna pay.
Hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog, mga Kachopapi. Thank you for always watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming mukbang, Hmong food. Bye-bye!